You're welcome to Ogbunike Cave. Ogbunike Cave is located in Oyi local government of Anambra State in the southeastern part of Nigeria. It's a very interesting sight to see. It has mysterious rivers. The cave has 2 chambers and it's a very interesting sight to visit.
From Umudioka family of Ifite, during one of his hunting expedition about 14th century. The cave is situated in a valley with tropical rainforest behind the Ogba at the entrance, which varies at various points. Water drops from the top of the open chamber and drains off into the Nkese River. There are 10 tunnels at the main chamber leading to different directions. Within the tunnels are big chambers and other tunnels of varying lengths, some of which are interconnected. The cave is extremely dark and occupied by a large colony of bats, insects, and crickets. Other animals said to be present in the cave are porcupines, rodents, frogs, pythons, and crocodiles. There are streams and bodies of waters at various places. A stream flows out from one of the tunnels into a rapid flowing river called the Nkese River. At the meeting point of the river and the